Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a password to your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Now let's go to File, go to Open, which should take us to the desktop. Now I see work.numbers. Click on this, Open. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to encrypt your spreadsheet so only you can open this spreadsheet on the numbers application with a password. So let's go to File, go to Set Password. We will just use an easy password for the purpose of this tutorial. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Verify this. We can have a hint. I'll just say 1 to 4. And remember my password in the keychain. Let's not remember that for the moment. I would highly recommend you to, if you ever were to forget, you would just need the master password to unlock that keychain. Set password. Command S to save. Now let's quit numbers. And now if we go to the desktop, as you can see, work.numbers now has a lock on there. Let's double click on this. It will now require the password that we created in order to open up that spreadsheet on the numbers application. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that now opens up. If we want to remove the password, go to File, Change Password. We would have to type in the old password. If we remove password, it will tell us that's not the correct password. So verify that password if we need to. That's only if we're changing the password, but let's now click on remove password. So the password itself has been removed. Command S, let's quit the numbers application, and there we can see the lock has been removed from work.numbers. Click on this, open up. Let's now quit numbers. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.